Last time, I showed you the first 10 settings I change on every Windows 11 PC. But changing settings is only half the story. Because hidden inside Windows are features that can replace apps you've downloaded. These features can help you get more done and even keep you from reaching for your phone every 5 minutes. The crazy part is, most people use Windows every single day and never even discover them. So today, I'm showing you 7 built-in Windows 11 features that are already on your PC, and by the end of this video, I guarantee you'll find at least one you'll start using immediately. Let's jump in. Let's start with one of my favorites. Quick question. How many times have you been working on your computer, your phone buzzes, and suddenly you're checking one notification? Then 10 minutes later, you're watching dog videos. Yeah, we've all been there. Windows includes a built-in app called Phone Link that lets your phone and PC work together. Just search for Phone Link from the Start menu and follow the setup. Once connected, you can read and reply to text messages, make and receive phone calls, view notifications, access recent photos, and on supported devices, even drag and drop files between your phone and PC. Instead of constantly picking up your phone, everything comes to your desktop. It's one of those features you don't think you'll use until you can't imagine working without it. Now, this next feature makes me laugh because it's been sitting in Windows for years and most people have no idea it's there. Press the Windows key plus H. That's it. Seriously. Windows instantly opens its built-in voice typing tool. You can dictate emails, documents, notes, or almost anywhere you normally type. The speech recognition has become surprisingly accurate. If you're writing something long, talking is often much faster than typing. And yes, it even understands punctuation. Technology has officially reached the point where your keyboard might start feeling a little unemployed. Speaking of keyboards, here's a shortcut I use all the time. Press the Windows key plus the period symbol. Most people think this only opens emojis. But let me tell you, that's just the beginning. You'll also find symbols, special characters, emojis, GIFs in supported apps or GIFs, whatever you prefer, currency symbols, copyright and trademark symbols, degree symbols, basically anything you've ever searched online with words, copy and paste. Once you learn the shortcut, you'll never Google a copyright symbol again. All right, here's one that solves a problem we've all created ourselves. You need a file on another computer, so naturally, you email it to yourself. Don't worry, I've done it too. Windows includes nearby sharing, which lets you transfer files between compatible Windows PCs. No USB drive, no cloud storage, no emailing it to yourself. Just right-click the file, choose Share, select the other computer, and done. If you regularly work on multiple Windows devices, this feature can save you a surprising amount of time. The next feature is probably the most underrated productivity tool built into Windows, and hardly anyone talks about it. Open the Clock app, then select Focus Sessions. You can schedule dedicated work sessions, set break reminders, and even connect it with Microsoft To Do. It's simple, but sometimes simple is exactly what works. Because let's be honest, you open YouTube to watch this video. Thanks, by the way. Not to somehow end up watching a guy restore a 1950s toaster. Focus sessions helps keep that from happening. Now, if you ever needed to show someone how to fix a problem on their computer, this next feature is incredibly useful. Most people know Windows can take screenshots, but it can also record your screen. Open the snipping tool, click record, choose the area you want to capture, press start. That's it. No extra software, no complicated setup. Whether you're recording a quick tutorial, capturing a bug for IT, or showing a family member how to do something, it's already built into Windows. All right, last one. And this might completely change the way you organize your workspace. If your desktop usually looks like this, 20 windows open, 3 browser windows, a spreadsheet somewhere, and somehow the file you need has completely disappeared, virtual desktops are about to become your new best friend. Press Windows plus Tab, then click New Desktop. Now you can create separate workspaces. One for work, one for personal tasks, one for editing videos, and even one for research. You can switch between them instantly using Control plus Windows plus left arrow or right arrow. Instead of squeezing everything onto one desktop, you can organize your computer like different rooms in a house. Once you start using virtual desktops, you'll wonder why you waited so long. Windows 11 is packed with features like these. The only problem is Microsoft doesn't exactly tell you they're there. So now I want to hear from you. Which features are you going to start using first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, because in the next video, we're looking at one of the best free tools Microsoft has ever released. Drumroll. Microsoft Power Toys. It adds features to Windows that honestly should have been built in from day one. You won't want to miss that one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take control of your tech.